Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have my mom here right beside me. She's messed her hair up a few times, but that's okay because I know that's what she does. And we're on our way to take food to my brother who can't make it out this way. He can, but he doesn't have a car, so to think that he has to get off the train, get off the bus, and then come and visit Mama here, and then he has to try and walk back to the island shop to get some food. Nah, I think I'll take my mom there. Bus! Look at this bus! Look guys, look at this bus. How dare you! Yeah. Anyway guys, so my mum and I, we're heading out to see my brother. Yeah. Yeah, so guys, you're coming along with us. We're gonna drive. It might get a bit boring, but we'll try and keep the conversation going, okay guys? Mariana, say hello.
Hello. Ulale tu mayo.
Why?
Ulale tu mayo.
Oh, oi. Ah, yeah. When we went to the island shop, she thought she saw her niece Marita. She always says she sees her niece Marita. But anyway, I tell her it's not, but she goes, oh, like she wants to fight me. But anyway, let's go, guys. Yeah, go. Yeah, go. Look. Yeah, phải sau kakalo make sure go ka wa lele wai lo yeah phải sau kakalo ka ka lele yai wala ye puyo ma to wala pa muli ni te muli lawi amen tu li pasi lady ere umala kakalo ai aka oh I'm telling Jesus on you. Yeah. Okay. There's road traffic thing happening here, guys. Yeah. Okay. There's no cars coming. Yeah. I like it. I like it when there's no cars. Yeah. Kaya ka vali, ka vali faya onga ma. Tua mi failuai ngad wenga lai fai. Yeah, siaki there, okay, go. Guys, I'll try to drive carefully, okay? Hey, that car behind is coming so close. Excuse you. Hey, okay. Excuse you. Look, it's catching up to me. I hate it when cars start catching up to me. Stay back. Well, I hope it's turning left. Turns left, I'm free. Mariana. Yeah, ele precisa busy. Lunga la, lunga. Oi, kafifi. Velo mo confia que precisa a mai ola au. Yeah. Sa o banco foi kala ye que foi vai sola. Ola na o pa vai ma o ele alofa. Sula o la na wo fa ma wele lo fa o yesula wo la wo fa ma wele lo fa ma wele lo fa atiti wa o lunga ole la lunga ole a dia wa ilunga ole maunga ile yeah sao mai sao upo que bom si ilunga ara que bom upe mama fa wala ile ai tele boring sa bali sa mai sa lunga sa mai kai pa yeah. Si PC.
tua, ele tua, ele tua, alofa, oya, mangalo, wangasala, mangalo, wangasala,
alofa, oya.
Silo sa awali suli.
Fair.
Ilo. Sa awi fa nga nga. Lali adinta. Mahali la sa awi ba?
Yep. Olo tama ino ya maeli.
If ba me sa wasu.
Yeah. Fai singa mama o le me ngo foi. Ine mafaila yenga sa vai ta ua. Sa vai asi la mama. Ele sa vai ya wa sa vai oi. Ai ya.
Elu fa pia.
Yep.
Elu tino ta bali ta u. Ava le nga sa bali le.
We're heading on to Richmond Road. We got a box of food at the back, guys. Her hair got combed inside the house after her shower and ponied up nicely, and she took it off. Like when I went into the shop, I looked back, she's taking her ponytail apart. Then I come back, she's still trying to fix her hair. But it's funny because quite a lot of dementia people, they do that. Like they mess up their hair just to do it again, or they enjoy folding up, washing and unfolding. Yeah, so dementia people, they like to do things repeatedly, you know, like over and over, because they just forget that they've done it before. Yeah. Because there'll be a period when my mum always cannot settle because she thinks that she hasn't gone to the, you know, to the office. So she'll go there and she'll stand there and come back and go back and forth. And I'll say to her, why do you keep going there? She goes, oh, because I need to go. But really, if you kind of follow her and have a look what she's doing, she just goes there and stands and looks into the bowl of the toilet and then returns. Like in her mind, she wants to go, but she doesn't really, you know, want to go. Anyway, I better speed it up because these guys at the back is like moving up close to me, and they better back off. Oh, they're gone. And he's saying back off. Yeah, ko bisiska bisi Mariah. Yeah, ko sumaska bisi
Himalaya.
ah.
Ile is Malaya.
Ada isi Malaya. Yeah, Maria then. Maria bisi maska bisi.
Elele tua, alofa, oya.
Salah. Mawana. Wala ya lo wa se tele pese. Ya oise, oise. Kwele anga ibia.
Oya.
Alofa, oya.
Silo sa avaleri.
Ila stop ka oyi. Fai nga mafanga. Thanks for joining us, guys.
Silo sa bali. Fasting wa be wa sa bali mo sa.
Yeah.
Ay mangunga fil.
For very wolo hulu. Ikaw aku ya mai fa pe mai ele ser wolo hulu. Ale ro set. O mga selo ma fa poni. Ya lele la ya. Le wasalka valele ka rumah as slow wale. But it's alright. And I get to play from the speeding car behind me. Anyway, my husband always says, don't let people push you out if you're going the right, you know, like speed. Oh God, there's no truck, not a big truck in front of us, only a little truck. Oh, Taku te matu, kare kamato e.
Ni e watu i utasanga sa.
Yep. It was so cold today, so I turned on the heater for my mama so she can have a warm shower and then come out and the whole house is all nice and warm. Oh, this truck is like so slow, but it's okay because it keeps the, you know, the speedsters at the back.
Keeps them
alive.
alive.
Huh? 7 hills. Yeah, you go Yamaed. E la kulua fa Yamaedi maedi. Ko kikia oe e. Ko kikia oe lape aku le a. Lape le a amadia.
Saba i ko ina ito ina ia ko.
Ei, whalonga mai leo ka kalango aku la. Oe e, awa ke fia kilo foi oe ka maloloa la. E whailo ko olua. Ka ua ngai o ia Philly, ka ua ngai o ia Philly. Philly is my dad, and she's talking about those two men out there, guys. My dad was an awesome dad. Such a loving dad to us kids. Maybe not to the boys. Too much. Yeah. Yeah, so my dad is buried in Penrith area, and she doesn't know, my mum doesn't know, that her brother's grandchild is buried at the same cemetery. She doesn't know that. Imagine if she was, you know, like normal, you know, in the mine, she would want to go there and clean it up and weed the grass and do all that for, you know, her brother's grandchild. That would be something very important to her to do, you know. Yeah, it's sad that, you know, when we lose our parents, you know. I'm very fortunate I still have my mum, you know, with me. It's a little bit of a headache sometimes, this old lady. Sometimes she wants to fight me, you know. She wants to fight me. Gets angry. But I gotta try and, you know, like make her laugh so she's not in a bad temper. Yeah. But you just gotta have a lot of patience, you know, to look after her and to take care of her. There'll be times when I'm really tired for some reason. I don't know why, but I'm so tired, so I kind of need, you know, I sort of wish I had a good sibling around that could take her for the day, you know, just take her for the day, bring her back home so she can sleep, because I don't like my mum going too long, and, you know, I miss her, you know, that's the thing. But yeah, that's it. You know, I don't really have that help at the moment to, you know, to give me a little break. You know, Sharon always offers, you know. But in my mind, I think to myself, you know, our mum, she equally loved us and took care of us, you know. And she never, you know, treated anyone else better. Well, Esther, she was a bit difficult. She was the baby of the family, and, you know, we're all growing up, and so my mum really spoiled her, gave her the time of day, you know, because that's her baby, you know. You know, us mothers, we tend to give a little bit more time for our babies. Yeah, so even though Sharon offers to take her grandma, I just think in my mind, like, our mother took care of us. So in her time, right now, you know, we should take turns to, you know, to care for our mother. I mean, why wouldn't you want to, you know? Why wouldn't you want to? I mean, once she's gone, no good the tears, no good, it's gone. Your opportunity is gone. But I guess If it's not in you to want to do it, it's not in you to want to do it. So that's why I always think, oh well, what more can I do? I mean, I've mentioned it, but I guess never mind. Gotta keep on going. Yeah, Mariana. This old lady. Yeah, because their mind's out there. It's always about the cars, the many cars out there. But anyway, this is just a conversation between us because she doesn't know what I'm saying to you guys. But if her mind was, like, all right, they will all get a growling, my siblings. They will all get told off, to why are they doing this and why are they, being unloving, because our mother, during her time of health, she was a very, very caring mother and auntie and grandmother, she didn't like hold back from helping our family, even people at her church. She would help, sometimes, like I'll question like, why, only because I know this is when she was working. She would do overtime, to try and have spare money so she can, help out someone she's got in mind. But I ask her why is because my poor mother, she would come home and she's got a really bad headache, and that's sometimes out of lack of sleep and sometimes no money to buy any lunch, so she's really hungry. And my mother's the kind of a person, if she doesn't have any food for so long, she gets really, really bad migraines, like she's not me, I like her daughter, me. Yeah, so I think about all the good things that, our parents done, and there's a lot of it. There's a lot, I'm sure everyone that my mother has helped in the, in the past, appreciates her for that time that she helped, when she was able. And I love that about my mother, It sort of makes me emotional because, it's, a good heart can't hide away from stuff to do, and that's what she always showed. You know what they say, action speaks louder than words. And she wasn't really a lovey-dovey, not a lovey-dovey sort, She really, really ever told us that she loved us, but we didn't felt unloved. We felt loved, because the way she treated us. Of course, she was the one that used to beat us so badly, but that's because why don't we listen? Why don't we just do the simple things she asks us, to do? Especially me, I got heaps because talk about rebellious, very rebellious from a little age. I remember in Samoa when I was about 5. That's how the distance I remember being in Samoa. The things that yeah. Yeah. O ai la safari lunga la me. Eu aku no mas masua ia vai. Wa pipi lu ale mafai nga safari o ki nga vai. She cut me off. Now I can't really remember what I was saying. This old lady, he tried to talk to her and she talks about other things. Oh yeah, I was rebellious as a little kid, and that's when I started getting hidings because my mom is not a muck around kind of person, and if she tells you something to do, you better do it. You better do it. Is this car going? Hello. Maybe less of Alice's. They're close to the car. Oh yeah, nai. Pifingi lai nga kolos. Yeah. Right. Kawa Feliton at Kangaka. Feliton. Aliton ata.
Ada tino sa balik pitu ah.
Haya.
Mga faide.
Wala wala la umakako yung mayay.
Mahal mele.
Que misia filha Mariana.
Ele misia no outro. So ya foi ele tinha um gesto também.
Yeah. Misia siko inga
Depois pôr a fono le nga tele ele tinha uma
Yeah. Oh, so that's what you have to do. You have to come this side. Ngayon manguhimay ayun ka o fakap. Did you see that? It was like we were riding the Easter show. Woo! Yaka ul faramait. Umalumo lilay. Ka turn left. Turn right. Amalisi mefay.
Vale apa umas tu elata vale ya.
Yeah. Yeah, we got the green light. Green light. Green light. Oh, the arrows are no, we won't catch it. You horrible arrow. Yeah, we're at Seven Hills now, guys. We just arrived here. So down there on the right, it's a RSL, and it's a smorgasbord, right? And you can eat all you want. Yeah, oh, find a carton. Find a carton. Ui, vai bang, ay, so foi le pasi. Pele pasi la le pu mai mai di peso e pe so fai lang shopping.
Al mawalungan masingi dali ya.
Aya, apa umay lalo se me ya ka wa ya wa ka
ni wala umay la o tama la.
Yeah. Any cars? Nope. Anyway, guys, appreciate you guys coming along. Yeah. Oh my gosh. They're pulling down RSL? What's going on? Odd. I think they're adding on to the RSL. Yeah. Oh, wow. I think they might be making the where you eat bigger, because when you go in there it's pretty small, so, you know, like pretty tight and everything. And then there's the pokies on the right, you know. But guys, I better sign off now because we're nearing my brother's house, and then he might be watching this video and go, oh, you showed them where I lived. Matey, sorry about imitating your voice. That's how my brother talks. Yeah. Anyway, guys, I'll see you guys later. Alligators.
Salamat nga.
Oh. Hello.
Kalau itu atas tu.
I got your stuff in the box. How are you, Maeli?
So.
Huh? You're rolling in, man. I mean, yeah. What?
Yeah. Nang kau may say hello.
So yes. Can I sit at the back? Should I sit at the back and just talk?
Up to you. Okay, I'll move my stuff.
Oh, thanks for buying this stuff. Sorry for.
Alright.
too cold to.
Yeah, don't stand out there, it's too cold.
For money.
Yeah, how you been?
I've been right.
Ya bin balik ah.
Yeah, I've been balik Asia. Why live here? Here, my foot, ma. Wow.
This is Oka here.
Yeah, that's going was okay.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I forgot to bring money to pay for the
No,
spy.
that's all right, mate.
Sorry.
No.
Hey,
No, come and take it. Otherwise, we're going to take off with the food if you're going to go.
Abas tu mah.
It's all right.
Yeah.
It's all right, it's all right, it's all
Remember I
right.
said I was going to pay for it?
No, yeah, I know, but it's all right. Okay?
That's all right.
As long as you have a nice feed.
Ano lo?
Yeah, Maria. Provide.
Pa. Pa.
Take care, okay?
Yeah, thanks, guys.
Okay, that's all right. Take care. If you ever need anything, call me. And if you want to see the old lady, call me and I'll bring her over. Wailua. So save you the hassle of coming over because, you know, you don't have a car.
Itu fa mai.
Take care and don't drop your food. Okay? Bought it all the way here from Samoa. Fa. Fa Maeli.
Olunga ya.
Yeah.
Isi dia fi wa siang ni.
Kau tu.
Ade ayen dia.
Wala nga luli le nga may maoy.
Jangan tu selalu.
Yeah. Ika kau nga ay oy ne ye sumadie mo longi po yang kasiana.
Baru saya mai. Isi dia mah, dia mau balik ah. Sa balik umang yang isang asa.
Yeah, one for you. Which wala le langu. Kau may le langu. Green, orange, purple, blue.
Semua.
Yeah, so yeah, okay. I'll give you this one.
Pa masih mieli ah.
Hey. Don't touch the paper, Masi. Kukik ya, oi, No, le pasile umaka or fale. Nice guy, Puki.
Baru saya mai.
Yummy strawberry. Look, Mariana. No. No. That's ya umalo. Oh, look. Okay, guys. Okay, we conquered. Now we're going home. The battle has been won. The battle with her hair. I don't know when that's gonna ever win. No, ngayon ngay vàng cắm sao? Yeah, quên mày.
Kia.
Luli. Cái cắt gì á cũng vào đó. Yeah.
Ya, dapat.
Mấy cũng sẽ lấy lăng mà lăng nó nghe ai ngồm luôn. Yeah. Này. Yeah, bắt quẹo. Yeah. Ở cái cu mày cu đồng mouth. Yeah. So stick it all in the mouth so I'm not going to go to.
Ai ul vai. Masa wala.
Yummy lolly. No. Bunga para lama.
Apa ya mai di.
Yeah.
If ya pe mai ya si mai ya. Lo ko umami dia.
Yeah. Chị đồ mà cua. Cái phèo phúc sư vậy.
Anh sao vậy nó ngâm đi.
Hey. Mariana. Cái phèo phúc sư vậy. Well, we're off now, guys. At least we had some lollies to eat. Phá xôi phua. Mariana say phá xôi phua i me puerca.
Vai ser